to turn Google Form responses into PDF. Hey guys, so just open up your browser and go to google.com, log in into your Google account, and click on the menu icon for the Google Apps at the top right beside your profile picture. From here, scroll down and we are going to click on Forms and select the form you want to turn the responses into PDF to. And from here, we are going to the Responses tab at the top. And from here, we are going to click on the three dots icon at the very top right beside your profile picture and click on Print. From here, it will then show you the summary with all these graphs depending on the responses that you got. Now, for example, if you get an error and this page does not show up, you can go back to your Google form and go to the Settings tab right here at the top. Open up the presentation and try enabling the View Results Summary if it shows a specific error. If it doesn't, you can go back to the summary page, right click anywhere on this page, and we are going to click on Print right here. And at the top right for the destination, make sure that you have selected Save as PDF, and you can also change the pages. If it shows a blank page right here at the top right, we can change it to Custom and just select page 1, since that is where my whole summary is and we don't want any blank pages. And once you have done that, click on Save at the bottom right. It will then show you the folders and just select on where you want to save this one. Click on Save, and you can go ahead and open up your File Explorer and find that specific file you just have saved and open it up and see that it worked in turning our Google Form responses into PDF. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this.